The beaten-down stock United Health Group, ticker symbol UNH, could be getting a new lease on life, thanks to Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway making a notable investment in it, acquiring 5 million shares worth about $1.57 billion. This news sent United Health stock soaring 7% in extended trading. It's interesting to note that Buffett had previously owned shares in United Health between 2006 and 2009 before selling them in 2010. United Health is currently dealing with several challenges, including soaring medical costs, federal investigations, the aftermath of a top executive's death, and a cyber attack last year. Despite these issues, Berkshire Hathaway's investment in United Health has boosted investor sentiment. In addition to the United Health investment, Berkshire Hathaway disclosed other portfolio changes in a recent SEC filing. It reduced Apple's stake, selling 20 million shares of Apple, reducing its holding to 280 million shares. Berkshire also revealed new stakes in D.R. Horton and increased its stake in Lennar, as well as investing in security products provider Allegion, outdoor advertiser Lamar Advertising, and steelmaker Nucor. To give extra long-term confidence, United Health's board recently approved a $2.21 per share quarterly dividend, which has added to the momentum in United Health shares. Meanwhile, Warren Buffett turns 95 on August 30th and is expected to remain Berkshire's chairman after Greg Abel becomes chief executive on January 1, 2026. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.